Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can delete Bumble account, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is open up your Bumble app on your phone, and now you're gonna find this kind of interface right over here. Simply go ahead, tap on this profile icon in the bottom left and tap on settings on top. Now from over here, simply scroll down till you get this option of delete account below logout. Tap on it, and now you will see delete account. I have found any reason you're going to choose. Simply go ahead, choose the reason, and now it will simply show you whether you want to simply hide your profile or etc. You're simply going to tap on this delete account right away, and you will be able to delete your Bumble account at once. Likewise, you can do that to any other account as well that you have in Bumble, and that is it. This is the process again. Go ahead, tap on delete account, choose a particular reason, tap on delete account, and you are done. So that is it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in the next video.